I only work out 3 days a week. So the muscle groups that I'm not trying to prioritize, I throw them in at that towards the end of my session, chest and legs and hamstrings, right? So in the beginning of my sessions, since I'm only working out 3 days a week, I am putting the exercises, the muscle groups that are important to me, which right now is back and biceps, just growing my back and growing my biceps. I'll put those in the beginning of the workout. So I'll do like you seen there, I'll do chest supported rows, I'll do pull ups, and I'll do reverse curls and free motion single arm curls, right? Then the next three exercises will be exercises that I'm not really trying to prioritize those muscle groups, but I know they're important to be targeted, you feel me? And I'm working out 3 days a week, might as well just target them. So incline bench press.